Here are some highlights from the November issue of Onsite Installer. The Munson brothers turned a small drain cleaning gig into a one-stop shop for septic installs, pumping, and repairs across northern Illinois. With a reputation built on clean work, straight talk, and steady growth, Premier Sewer and Septic shows what happens when you put pride before profit. Every installer's faced it, a site that just doesn't have the room. At Falls Creek Farm, the crew from Knight & Sons needed to fit a 200-person wedding venue's septic into a sliver of land. The Geomatrix GST leaching system made it possible. With more surface area packed into less space, the GST design let them meet code, manage flow, and keep the job moving. We are deeply saddened to announce that Cole Publishing co-founder Bob Kendall passed away on October 4th at age 70. A visionary behind Pumper Magazine and The Wet Show, Kendall helped build the modern wastewater industry as we know it and created a community where none existed. Thanks for everything, Bob. We will miss you. Ozone isn't new, but it's finally finding its place in decentralized wastewater treatment. This high-powered oxidizer does more than disinfect. It helps reduce BOD, eliminate odors, and leave your effluent clean enough for reuse. It's not for every installer or site, but when the specs fit, it's hard to beat. Down in Bridge City, Bosco Industries has built a reputation on getting jobs done fast and done right. But lately, their biggest challenge isn't in the dirt. It's the growing number of homeowners left clueless about aerobic systems. Forget gadgets that gather dust in the truck. These field-ready systems, from precision locators to power agitators, help installers get the job done right, every time. Give your clients a system that runs smoother, longer, and with less maintenance. Sledgehammer's septic booster tablets make it easy. One flush, and nature does the rest. From Washington, D.C. wipes legislation to Florida's manatee moratorium, new septic regulations are hitting hard. All this and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.